Okay, so now we are in Unreal and we need to open our material to try this. And in order to allow this, we need to go here and type tessellation. Click here. All right. And what you will find is that you have a displacement output here. If we go here to the properties and go for displacement, you will see that you have a magnitude of 4 and a center of 0.5. So what this means is, like I told you before, you have your height map, and here is a value of 0.5, and everything, this is your plane, and your height maps, the white values are gonna be here, and the black values are gonna be here, and they're gonna do some kind of bumping. They're gonna be bumping into the surface. So this value, let's say it's 4. So if you put like a value of 1 here, your bumps are gonna be smaller. So there's no right or wrong value here. You just need to test it out. The cool thing is we already have the displacement in our material. So we just need to connect this and apply. Now, by default, nothing will happen yet because our landscape is not using nanite. So let's take a look at this. You can save this. And you can see our landscape seems to be the same as always. So what we can do is to go to the landscape here and look for the nanite tab. And here go to enable nanite. Click here and then build data. And what this will do, it will build the data of your landscape, and it will allow you to have tessellation here. So now that you have this, let's take a look at this. Okay, go for this rebuild data. We have already done it. So rebuild data. There you go. And now we're gonna see our landscape being revealed with the nanite feature. All right, so now our landscape is using nanite. And take a look at what's going on now. Now, nothing seems to be working now because it's loading. But as soon as it finishes loading, we will see how it actually looks like. And you can already see what's going on here. Looks like a magnitude of 4 was a little bit too much for us. A little bit too much. So what we're gonna do is to actually go to our landscape master and go for, not here, go to this place and put a magnitude of maybe 0.5. It's a little bit. So we're gonna do that. And now our landscape will have a different value here. You see that it's actually having a little bit of shadows everywhere. It's still a little bit too much. So we're gonna go for 0.2. Let's go for 0.2, just a tiny bit. Okay, so now what you're seeing here is actually a really cool feature that you are already having displacement in your geometry. So let's take a look how this looks like with our character here. So let's play. You can already see like there's a lot of value, a lot of things happening. I feel like there's still a little bit too much, So let's go ahead and go for 0.1 and actually divide this by 2, which is 0.05. Click apply. I only want it to be like a small little detail. There you go. That's much better. That is much better. So now that you have this, look at how it looks like with the lining. You can see that we're actually getting some really nice shadows whenever we... Oops, that's a little bit too much. So if you take a closer look at this, you will see that your mesh is actually being displaced. And you're getting some really nice shadows. If we go to the detail lines, you will see that you're getting some really nice shadows. So that's the nanite tessellation. It's quite a heavy feature. It's still experimental, so you shouldn't be using it in a project that is like you need to ship it or something. It can be quite heavy, but it works quite well. So in case you want to add it, so that's your nanite tessellation. And with that, we're gonna move to other things.